Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Physicians Formula palette. This is called Rosé All Play Eyeshadow Bouquet. You get 12 eyeshadows in this palette and you get 13.7 grams of product. You get all the information, the names and ingredients in the back of this palette. This palette is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. And you get a mix of shimmers, mattes, and satins in this palette. So it's a cardboard palette, which is not my favorite. There's no mirror, but it's very lightweight, very slim. It's easy to travel with, and yeah, I really like the packaging. It's very pretty. So I'm just gonna swatch the eyeshadows for you guys. So we're gonna be starting with the first row. So the first shade is called Fresh Bouquet, Sure Why Not, and Pinky's Out. And the next row is Nice Stems, Yes Way Rosé, Super Bloom. Third row is Bottomless Brunch, Winestone Cowboy, and Flower Market. Last row is Floreal, Berry Chick, and Last Call. Super pigmented, they swatch really pretty on my hand, and I will show you some close-ups as well. So I'm just showing you some close-ups for the eyeshadow swatches. I'm gonna be applying this on my eyes as well so you can see how they blend and the looks you can get. So now I'm gonna be starting with that white shade, and this is called Bottomless Brunch. I'm just going to apply it on my lid to set my concealer in place. Next shade is going to be Nice Stems, and this is gonna be my transitioning shade. And it's a beautiful color. It blends so beautifully. I really didn't have a hard time blending at all. There's no patchiness with these eyeshadows and they go on so smoothly. And I'm just using a blending brush from Japanese. And I'm just gonna show you guys, it builds up so nicely. So I applied another layer of this color and it just blends so easily. There's no skipping or anything like that. Next, I'm going to take Pinky's Out, which is really a light peach color. I'm just going to blend the edges so there are no harsh lines. You can use this shade as a transitioning shade as well if you're lighter than my skin tone. And now I'm going to take Last Call, which is really a beautiful brown chocolatey color. I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner and then blend it inward. It is so beautiful, guys. So for this eye here, I just took the brush, I dipped my brush in the palette and I went straight to my eye without tapping, and the color and everything blended so nicely. Applying a little bit more here, just so you can see, guys, it blends and it builds up so nicely. So you can go from light to dark. Now I'm going back to Nice Stems and I'm just going to apply it in the lower lash line. I'm just going to use the same shades I used on my eyelids in the bottom lash line. And now I'm going to use Last Call and I'm just going to smudge it just close to the lower lashes. And now I'm going to take Fresh Bouquet. It's a mix of shimmer and glitter. I'm just gonna apply it with my finger on my eyelids. It has a little bit of pigment, but mostly it's shimmer and glitter. So now I'm gonna show you with a brush. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of setting spray and just apply it on my eyelids. It kind of gave me a little bit of a metallic look to it, which is really nice, but I did not mind it just using my finger. So this palette is just missing a little bit of a highlight color. So I used my highlighter, this Bare Minerals. I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner. And I'm going to go back to Fresh Bouquet and I'm just gonna apply it closer to the tear duct. You can get so many looks out of this palette. You can go plum, purple, bronze, soft mauve color, berry. You can go just smoky brown color. So I'm just showing you here, guys, how it looks with just some mascara without lashes. It looks so pretty and stunning. I really love the colors, the blendability of these eyeshadows. Now I'm gonna apply some lashes, and it took it to the next level. It looks so pretty and so good on the eyes. I really love this palette. I enjoyed it so much. It retails for $24.99 if I didn't mention that. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.